Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today, I will be introducing to you our two babies. And by the way, maybe you're asking where is Arnel. Currently, he's sleeping because may work na siya mamaya. So, I will be introducing to you our two babies. So first, this is Puchuchut. She's a lemon beagle. She's a lemon beagle. And she's already 4 years old. Her birthday, January 27, 2016. She's very fat. Actually, most of the people na nakakasalubong namin is nagtatanong palagi if Puchuchut is pregnant. But she's not pregnant. She's just obese. That's why every evening or every day, we make sure na nag-walking siya para maka-exercise siya. She's very fat. Actually, Puchuchut is very choosy when it comes to food. She doesn't eat dog food unless it is a canned food. Pero yung mga typical na dog food, hindi talaga siya kumakain. Very rare lang siya kumakain nun. So, her diet right now is yung liver ng chicken or pork as well as gizzard. Later, we will cook yung recipe ng kanilang kinakain. So, Puchuchut also was diagnosed with urinary stones. So, last December, she was diagnosed with urinary stones and medyo pricey yung kanyang medication because meron siyang gamot na 15 pesos twice a day. Tapos, meron din siyang vitamins na tinitake. At meron pa din, actually, meron pa isang medicine din siyang tinitake. Plus, buko juice is part of her diet na everyday. So, imaginein mo, 15 pesos times 2 months. Yun yung gamot niya. So, she undergo x-ray. Tapos, meron pa siyang test na kinuha. And yun nga, it's yung size ng kanyang urinary stone is same size as 1 peso coin. Pero nung nag-change kami ng kanyang diet into liver, ng pork liver at saka chicken liver, as in nag-iba talaga siya. Lalo siyang lumakas. And she's now a very happy dog. At saka wala ng blood or any nana sa kanyang wiwi kasi feeling ko sa diet talaga. So if you are a fur parent, make sure that your dog's diet, i-consider nyo din yung diet ng inyong dogs kasi they're very maselan. So yun. So yun. That's Puchuchut. Yeah, very clingy lang siya. Our next dog is si Ari. Ari, say hi. Say hi, Ari. So, Ari is a bully, 1-year-old bully. Her birthday is March 5, 2019. So, 1-year-old na si Ari. Dati, ang sobrang liit niya. Pero ngayon, mas malaki pa siya kay Puchuchut. Look at her. And dati, when we got Ari, ilang months pa lang ata siya, and nagdedede siya kay Puchuchut. And okay lang naman kay Puchuchut, hindi naman siya gano. And takot si Ari kay Puchuchut. Every time, kumakain sila, hindi kumakain si Ari kapag nandyan si Puchuchut kasi takot siya kay Puchuchut. Which is very good because she respects her sister. And palagi silang, hindi sila nag-aaway, palagi silang naglalaro. So, yun. So, Ari is a bully and Ari has a Demodex and when we got her, so sobrang pangit ng kanyang skin but nagpa-vet kami sa kanya, so lahat ng test, lahat ng gamot din binigay kay Ari and look at her skin now compared dito sa skin niya dati. So sobrang pangit niya, halos nung maliit siya parang ayoko siyang hawakan kasi nandidiri ako. Pero nung eventually napamahala si Ari sa amin and she even sleeps beside us before, yun. So si Ari is very loving. Look at her. Isang tawag mo lang sa kanya, kasing tatakbo talaga siya sa iyo at uupo at same position, ganyan lang siya. Yan. Nagpapalove si Ari. So, si Puchuchot naman is antukin kasi nga obese. But later, kapag wala ng ulan, Puchuchot, mag-walking na naman kami ni Puchuchot at saka ni Ari. Look at them, oh. Ganyan lang sila. Hindi sila nag-aaway, hindi sila naglalaro lang sila from time to time. And right now, we will also be cooking. So, yan. These are our two babies. This is Puchuchot, the lemon beagle, and this is Ari, the bully. Yan. Isa pa lang ayaw na ayaw nila is yung pusa. Every time nakakakita sila ng pusa, yun, parang may gyera. I don't know kung inaano pa sila ng pusa, but if they see one, ay nako, sobrang ingay nila. So, yun. So, this is Puchuchot, a 4-year-old beagle, while this one naman is Ari, 1-year-old bully na sobrang laki, na mas malaki pa siya kay Puchuchot. Okay, so right now, magluluto tayo ng kanilang food for today. And guys, before we proceed, please make sure to like our Facebook page, and also if you love our videos, please don't forget to like and share. And please, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please make sure to do subscribe, because road to 10,000 subscribers na tayo. And yun. So now, i-introduce ko naman sa inyo yung favorite dish ng aming mga aso. So for the ingredients, we have pork liver, we have chicken gizzard, we have cabbage, we have carrots, chicken broth or soup ng tinola, chicken tinola soup. We also have banana. First, we will put our chicken broth. And if medyo mainit na siya, let's now add our chicken liver. Pork liver. Let's now add our pork liver, chicken gizzard. Okay, kapag kumukulo na siya, let's now add carrots. After is yung ating cabbage. And then next is yung banana. Okay, and we are done. So, hintayin lang natin mawala yung init ng ang food nila. Tapos, we will serve them na yung kanilang pagkain. And that's it for today's vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Again, please do like and share this video, and also please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also you can like our Facebook page as well as our personal Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.